Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we analyze customer feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the Zulay kitchen cast iron juicer.
Right. We are looking at the Amazon product page and over 11,000 reviews to see what the hype is really about.
Exactly. And before we really jump in, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. And also be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, definitely do that. So jumping into the juicer, it's a really fascinating dynamic to look at today.
Oh, for sure.
Because we are in this era where modern kitchens are just, absolutely packed with sleek, complex, motorized gadgets.
Right. Everything has a plug.
Exactly. Yet here we have a massive $100, completely manual cast iron press that is just dominating the space right now. It really makes you wonder why so many people are actively choosing to go back to basics.
Well, okay, let's unpack this because it sounds like we're giving up a lot of convenience, right? Like, think about a standard electric juicer. Yes, they work, but they are loud, they get super messy, and honestly, half of them sound like a miniature lawnmower just running on your kitchen counter.
Right, and that is exactly where the physics of this specific manual juicer comes in to basically replace that motor. It's all about mechanical advantage.
Oh, like a classic, silent, lever-action espresso machine. Just simple, elegant physics.
Yes, perfectly said.
But how does that actually translate to the juice in your glass? You mentioned the physics, but what are these 11,000 buyers actually experiencing at home?
Well, they are experiencing a vastly higher yield. If we look at the review data, one buyer explicitly noted getting 16 full ounces of juice from just 3 oranges.
Wait, really? 60 ounces from 3?
Yeah, and to get that exact same amount with their old electric juicer, they said they had to use 6 oranges.
Wow, so literally half the fruit for the exact same amount of juice. That's wild.
Yeah, it is. Because of the length of the lever arm on the Zulay press, when you pull it down, it multiplies your downward force. So it crushes the fruit entirely in one smooth motion.
Extracting liquid that a motorized reamer just totally misses.
Right, exactly.
Okay, but I have to push back just a little here. I'm looking at the specs, and this thing weighs over 15 pounds, and it stands almost 16 inches tall.
Yeah, it's a beast.
It's a huge tool.
Yeah.
Is this actually practical for everyday use, or is it just like a beautiful, colorful countertop paperweight? I mean, I know it comes in over 20 colors to match any kitchen, but 15 pounds.
Well, that's a very fair reality check, and it's something you actually see pop up pretty frequently in the reviews.
I would imagine so.
Yeah, users do love that industrial durability and the aesthetic. It makes a great statement piece. However, physics works both ways.
Right.
The very same lever action that crushes the fruit creates this massive forward center of gravity.
Meaning it literally wants to tip over on you.
Precisely. When you are bearing down hard on that handle to get the last drop of juice, the unit can tip forward or slide. Multiple users note you absolutely have to use your free hand to stabilize the back of the base.
Oh, while pulling the lever down with the other hand.
Yeah, exactly.
That makes total sense. You are applying all that downward force on the front. And realistically, because it is 15 pounds, you aren't packing this away in a cabinet after every single use.
No, not at all.
It is staying out on your counter, which means how easy it is to clean is going to absolutely make or break the whole experience.
And that is where the manual nature of it shines again.
Right. Here's where it gets really interesting for me. The bottom parts, so the stainless steel strainer and the funnel, they just pop right out.
Yep, super easy.
You just toss them straight into the dishwasher. There are no tiny gears, no electronic bases. You have to be careful not to submerge or whatever.
True, but there is a nuanced detail from the user reviews that we definitely need to point out here. Yeah, so the upper aluminum pressing cone, the part that actually pushes down onto the fruit, it does not detach.
Wait, really? It doesn't come off?
Nope. You have to wipe it down in place with a damp cloth. So for some buyers, that is a minor friction point.
Yeah, I can see that being slightly annoying.
It is, but if you look at the overwhelming consensus, users vastly prefer doing a quick 10-second wipe down of that upper cone over having to disassemble and scrub sticky motorized gears with a tiny brush.
Right, it's the trade-off, a slightly awkward wipe down versus a full sink of complex parts.
Exactly.
So what does this all mean for you listening? It leaves you with a really provocative thought. If a heavy piece of cast iron and a simple lever can completely outperform a modern electric juicer, what other complicated motorized kitchen gadgets do you own right now that could just be replaced by a simpler, lifetime-lasting mechanical tool?
Yeah, maybe we don't always need a motor.
Absolutely. Well, you've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications.
You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more interesting toys.
One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.